Hey, what's up, amigos? Hope all is well. It's been a long time. Um, what I'm gonna do in this video is gonna be a 5 to 6 minute recap. I'm gonna try to do this every single day, and I'm also gonna try and do meditation, and I'm gonna upload it just so I think it benefits everybody, anybody that wants to. I think there's a lot of people that are saying they're gonna do meditation, including myself, but we don't do it. So I'm gonna hold myself accountable. I'm gonna try and upload the meditation every day. Either I'm gonna try upload in the morning, but it may be a 1 day behind kind of thing. And the other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna recap every day, and I'm gonna try and put it quick, fast, uh, simple. But there will be days that I will go kind of semi in depth if it benefits you. The process that I go through in the morning. Some of you guys may have noticed that. I write down what the overhead is, if there's filings, if there's issues in the filing aspect from a capital structure, then I do volume forecasts and I match them up and all that jazz. Some days there's nothing, but so this is a bit selfish. I'm going to try and make it so something that benefits me so that I can do it consistently. So my objective of daily recap will be just looking at the charts where they failed. Sometimes I'll even look at some that I didn't trade, so I keep a pulse at the market. Uh, but I'll definitely try and talk about my trading, what I did good, what I did bad. So it's a recap for myself, and you guys are along for the journey. And all of my videos have been super, super long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play some random songs that I haven't heard of. So just to keep me in check that when that song is done. So just to keep the video short. Okay. So first ticker that I think I'm gonna go over is WIMI. Uh, from my understanding, this one didn't have. I don't know how loud that music is, but hopefully it's not too loud. So from my understanding, it's does not have overhead. I remember I checked on this the last time it ran. So it's a float rotation play, and something must have happened here. I don't recall. So today this was for me. I avoided it all day, uh, and it was supposed to be a 2 p.m. short. It had a failed follow through at 142. Uh, so I made a mistake here that I actually longed 761, and my risk was over under this level. In theory, I should have stopped out, but the stop, because it was above VWAP and I was risking previous low, I just gave it a little bit of room. It came back, went above my entry. I didn't take the profit, and then I stopped out 3/4 as it broke. I think as it broke here. Ideally, I was risking this. I don't want to take good profits. This is a good job I did here. What I messed up on is actually I long below VWAP here. I thought I wasn't thinking right. This was a mistake because I covered 3/4 here. This is a mistake that I did. I longed here, thinking that it could go above, thinking there would be a 3M push. It's because they failed at one. So this is an issue. But that's the recap. No capital structure issue, and um, and that's when I ran. The other one was LIZI. This one, um, this actually, in my opinion, had some capital structure issues in the sense that there was a lockup IPO, um, and I think that's what was happening today. They were unloading, so I was short. And no, I tried to short the pops. I didn't get to short the pops. Um, and I played the micro bounces here. I waited for the higher low to push. Originally, when it was at 375, I was hoping that it would go to VWAP. These two lines, this is just 50-day VWAP. It's not important, and this stuff is weird indicators. I don't use them. So, but the play was obviously short, but didn't have a setup, and I wasn't gonna FOMO. It was around this area. I was thought maybe it would push to four into this volume profile point of control. It didn't. So I'm making mental notes, and this washed at 10, went push, went lower, broke the previous. Okay. MDLY. This was a float rotation play. I bet a lot of longs got hurt. And I was thinking about this. I think this is an important thing for me. This, I didn't play anything at the morning, but it should have been a long. And the reason for that is that it's a float rotation, didn't have overhead. Thankfully, I did not have a position on it. But then after it unhalted, the management said that there's no reason why it should be up. It just washed. And then I actually shorted 153 and I kept adding. I think I shorted around this area. I had like a 148 average or 145, but I kept adding and I covered into the ones, and I shorted some after hours and covered. This is important because what this is going to do is this is actually going to kill the momentum. So any other small cap that runs there's waves. There's longs are in a momentum, and then there's short. This definitely killed the momentum. So likely tomorrow, anything that has overhead, or there won't be a lot of long buyers. They have gotten hurt on this one. Shorts will be more aggressive. So just keep that in mind moving forward. That's it for now. I'm going to try to keep it super duper short. Let me know if it's something that you guys want to see improvement on, or something you guys want. And if I have time, I will go back and do one-on-one sessions. And yeah, that's all. If you guys want to stay tuned, subscribe, click the notification bell. Anybody that, when I upload it, usually within the first 2 hours, I always respond. So if it benefits you, subscribe. If it doesn't, no problem. Take care, guys. Have a good day.